Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be unboxing one of my book subscription boxes. Now I love book boxes, they're one of my favorite things to purchase. I don't always share them on the channel just because I really like to enjoy them myself and I don't want too many spoilers, and sometimes that happens with books. But today we're going to do a very rare treat where I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of my subscriptions. This is the Once Upon a Book Club subscription. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. I'm going to tell you guys all about it, and I also have a discount code if you're interested. So if you are interested in this subscription, I will be posting a link down below. I also have a discount code listed down there for you guys so you can save some money off of your first order. That link and code will allow you to purchase any of their subscriptions. So they do have the adult version, which is what I have here today. They also have subscriptions for middle schoolers and young adults. So if you want to purchase one or the other, that code and link will work for all three of their versions. So this is one of my favorite subscriptions to have for books, and I like it because it's different from other book subscriptions out there. So what's nice is you're going to receive a book every single month with this box, and then inside there are going to be gifts that correlate to the story. So it brings the story and that book to life by having all of these other gifts. So I'm going to open it up and explain all of it to you guys as we go along, and it'll make more sense as we get into it. But this is what it will look like when you first open it up. Ooh, we got a hardback book this time. So sometimes it's hardback, sometimes it's a paperback book. You're not able to choose the book for this subscription because they are all curated ahead of time. However, I love getting the hardback books. So this one's called An Inconvenient Wife. What? That's terrible. What do you mean she's inconvenient? This is a mystery novel, and it even has reviews on the back here. And it said, "Step aside, Gone Girl. An inconvenient wife is the new sheriff in town. Everything old is new again." Well, that is saying something. If this is on the level of Gone Girl, I mean, that book is like twisty and bendy. So if this is on that level, I mean, I have high expectations. This must be a really twisty mystery novel. But this is what it looks like here. This is our book for this month. It retails for $27. It says it's an astonishing crime novel. Oh, okay. There are 315 pages inside of this book, so it is decent size. But along with the book inside of your box, you're also going to receive presents that will correlate to that story. So each of your gifts are going to have a page number on them, and I do love that they always change up the theme and wrapping on all of their gifts. But I love how they always make these gifts to match the book. So even on here, you see how we've got this, like, I think it's a rose vine or something like that, but it looks thorny and it's got leaves. On the book, we had the same thing. So I like that they'll even curate these gifts to match whatever the book is. So we have 3 gifts inside of this box. This is what the second one will look like. It gives us our page number again. You will open these gifts when you get to that page number in your book. And then the last one is a real tiny one here. This one's on page 10, which is very early in the book. Sometimes they're not that early. Sometimes you got to read a while before you actually get one. But in your book, you will have notes that will tell you when to open your gift. So if we go to page 10, you will see that sticky note and it will say open your gift. And usually the item that you're going to receive will be talked about in the book. So right before this note, it says, "It was a woman's body. She was..." I don't know if I can say that on YouTube. We'll find out. "Anna's tone was matter of fact, as though she said such things all the time. You have to warn Hank." Kate tightened her grip on the phone and took a deep breath. The scent of the new leather in the limo rushed into her nose. She absently worried the soft seat with the side of her thumb. This particular piece of information would be a game changer as far as the police and the media were concerned. So, based off of that little excerpt, I'm guessing we have something made of leather that she's playing with. That's my hunch. So we're going to go ahead and open up this first gift here. Like I said, when you receive your box, don't open the gifts till you actually read the story. We're doing that today just because this is an unboxing and I want to show you guys what it's like, but don't normally do this. So what I have is a leather hanging air freshener. Ah, the leather in the limo. So of course, this is gonna make it smell like leather in your car, so you're getting the full effect. That makes sense. So see what I mean? They're always very clever with the gifts that are in here. So inside, we've got our little car freshener, and then it's already filled with the leather essential oil. And then you can actually diffuse this and have this hanging as the leather scent in your car. For being 10 pages in, I mean, this book gets right into it. Like, already we're up to the mystery part. And I'm like, wow. So we're up to the next gift, which is page 109. It says, Kate pivoted around to see an older woman walking toward her. She wore an oversized button-down white shirt over a pair of baggy linen cropped pants. The wide brim of a straw hat obscured her face, but she tilted her head a little so Kate could see the large dark sunglasses and the bright red lipstick. So, based off of that paragraph, this could be a lot of different things. They could have done lipstick. They could have done the pants, the shirt. I think this is the straw hat just based off of feel. That's what it feels like to me, at least. So, yes, we have the straw hat that character was wearing inside of the book. And now you can have the matching hat. It's kind of cute. I like this lace. I mean, it's kind of a cute hat, actually. It's not too bad. Like, I feel like it's very, I feel like somebody on the Titanic would wear this. Like, it's very over the top, but it's kind of cute. The next gift is on page 202, and this one is in the middle of some dialogue where there's talking back and forth. So she screams, "What do you want?" she demanded. "I didn't invite you in." "Kate," he pleaded, lunging toward her and trapping her against the counter, her arms behind her. Panic rose in her throat. She felt around and her fingers closed over one of the knives in the block. And that's where they stop then with the gift. This book is intense. There's a lot already happening in here. So this is our gift. I'm guessing this is a knife set or a knife based off of what she said. So we have a cheese knife set in the box. This is a set of 3. I really doubt this is the exact knife that she grabbed, but maybe she did. I don't know. I can't imagine that if you were being attacked that you'd grab a cheese knife, because usually those don't come in like the block of wood. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know if this is exactly right, but I get the idea that they're going for here. So inside it is a 3-piece set and we have cheese knives in here. I mean, you could do some damage with this, but you know, she said it was in a block. I don't know. I might be reading too far into this too. Get it? Reading? So those are the 3 gifts that are included with the book. Additionally, inside of every month's box, you're also going to receive a packet with some extra goodies. These are always curated specifically for that book. So you will have a bookmark inside and it's going to match the book and it usually will have a quote from it. Additionally, you will have a letter from the author, which is really cool because this is something that is unique to this book club. So you're not going to find this letter in any other subscription. It's only going to be in this box. You additionally will receive an autograph from the author as well. This is a sticker and you can stick it inside of the book if you would like to, or you can just leave it in there as well. And then the last item will be your little brochure. This will help you to have a full-on book club if you would like to create one yourself, or you can join a discussion group and go through these questions that they have virtually with the Once Upon a Book Club members. But that is everything inside of the Once Upon a Book Club box. I gotta say, this book seems really good. Based off of just the little snippets that we've seen, I'm intrigued and I'm like, okay, I will definitely be reading this. So that is everything for today's unboxing. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. But again, if you're interested in this subscription, I do have a link down below along with a discount code. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!